Hey there! In this video, I'll give the top 5 unknown iPhone keyboard tricks you didn't know existed. So without further delay, let's get started. Tricks number 1, add text replacement on iPhone like this. To add this, open Setting, scroll down, tap General, tap Keyboard, tap Text Replacement. Tap the plus icon. Add a phrase. This can be your email or any phrase. Add the shortcut for that phrase. Now, there you go. If you open your keyboard and type the shortcut, you'll see the phrase will come up. Trick number 2. Use the one-hand keyboard on iPhone. If your iPhone is more extensive, you can open your keyboard setting, tap one-handed keyboard. Now choose left or right. Trick number 3. If you want to move your text, you can do this on your iPhone. If you press and hold your space key on your iPhone, you can move your text cursor anywhere you may want. Trick number 4, change your keyboard language in one click. To change your keyboard language, tap and hold the globe icon. Now choose your language. Trick number 5, open your browser. Now try to enter any website name. After that, if you press and hold the dot icon, you can see this is showing you all the end domain names for the website. Alright guys, these are the best unknown tips and tricks for your keyboard. Now if there is anything you want to know, please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.